We've got a new box that arrived in the messy workshop. Stick around and I'll show you what we got. Hi, I'm Paul. Welcome to my messy workshop. We got a new toy in the workshop. I ordered a 3D printer. So we're going to do a little unboxing. I don't know if we'll get it all put together or just show you what's included. We'll see what happens as we go along. Well, we'll open up the box here. This is a CR10S 3D printer. Looks like it's packed pretty well. There, it's a little easier when we get the box out of the way. In this part, we have the bed and the lower framework, it looks like. Has a glass bed, it's all wrapped up right now. In the other box we have a cardboard box full of assorted parts. We have the control box. This is the gantry, and this is the print head right here. There's the X and the Y axis put together. So now I think the next step is to put the braces on it, and I'll do that right now. All right, this plate right here is the support for this arm, and it also is the limit switch for the Z axis. So now both supports and the Z limit switch is on. Well, we're doing the wiring now, and all the wires have a little thing on it, like this is for the X-axis. So then you refer to the sheet and find out where the X-axis is. The X-axis is there's two X-axis plugs. So this one goes here, and the other one must be for the limit switch. Yes, so I'm going to go around the other side, plug that in. After we get this all done, then I'll clean up the wiring. Okay. Back over here. This one is the Y-axis, and the Y-axis is back here. A 3-prong plug and a 4-prong plug. Okay. I have one more here, and I can figure out where it goes. The cords that come from it. This one is the Z-axis and the Z-axis. I'm going to take these clips off and pull the glass out so I can get the plastic off it now. These are just little binder clips is all they use to hold the glass onto the bed. That puts it. Make sure the voltage is right. This piece goes on the controller, and this holds the spool of filament. This will go on eventually. I'm not ready to put this in yet. Well, there it is all together. All I have to do is plug it in and run a test on it. And like I say, it's all together. I still have to dress up the cables. They look kind of ratty, but I'll do that after I see how much movement everything needs and kind of go from there. Well, here it is printing away. After I got done putting it together, I took some time and made sure that what was supposed to go up and down went up and down, and what was supposed to go right to left went right to left, and what was supposed to go front to back went front to back. After that, I put the micro SD card in the controller, and I'm just running a program that comes on that micro SD card. And I'm not really sure what it is, but it's been printing for about 2 hours now, and it's over half done, so we'll see what it is when it's finished. Well, my first 3D printing project is done. What it printed is this little Hello Kitty figurine, and I guess that's kind of fitting since the 3D printer is made in China. It's printed out of PLA plastic. They supply a small roll of it with the printer. This printer will also print ABS and different other kinds of plastic. I don't know them all offhand. But anyway, it did a nice job on this. I'm going to download some other files off the internet and print some established files before I venture out on my own and draw up plans and get them ready for the 3D printer. There's a little learning curve to it, and this is my very first experience with the 3D printer. Well, I appreciate you tuning in, and until next time, happy woodworking or happy 3D printing.